Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new Toyota Sienna LE. This is an 8-passenger minivan in Parisian Night Pearl. And under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on the Sienna includes roof rails, power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Taking a look inside the front driver's side, right up top you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. You have some storage space on the bottom of the door as well. Now inside, the Sienna comes equipped with gray cloth seating. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. Starting it up, we got our key here. Ooh. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel, we have these arrows here, and this will help you cycle through any audio that's playing. You also have your volume buttons, voice recognition system, and your hands-free calling. On the right side, you have this cluster here, and this will help you cycle through your multi-information display. Underneath that, you'll find your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure alert and dynamic radar cruise control, and your speed settings for your cruise control are right behind the wheel there. If we move on to our screen, on the left side, it'll display any device that's connected, your trip information, and on the right side, you have your audio. We can also view the trip information by pressing that, and you can view your history as well. Going into audio on the left side here, you can see you have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, and a Bluetooth device. Underneath that is your climate control system. Here you have your driver, passenger, and your climate control dial for those rear passengers. If we move underneath, this is where you'll find your driver and passenger heated seats, your USB and auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. We can press that button and you got 2 cup holders that slide right out. We have a little shelf here for some storage, as well as on the bottom. Taking a look inside the back here, we are continuing with the gray cloth seating. Behind the front passenger and driver seats, you have these little extra storage compartments. You have 2 USB ports behind the center console as well, along with some cup holders on the bottom for the second row passengers. These seats do fold down as well. We can pull this little handle up. The seats will fold forward, giving you access to your third row seating and your cargo. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your driver and passenger heated seats, tri-zone climate control system, and 8-passenger capacity seating. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.